Eastern Tabletop brings you the ZOZZ Kiosk display, the most clever and unique one-step folding buffet. Its small 7-inch footprint expands to a 36-inch grab-and-go mobile buffet. It is multifunctional and ultra-lightweight with many add-on options. Choose from long and narrow shelves, bottom full-size shelf, or half-square shelves. Attach a magnetic back wall that comes in a large variety of PVC colors. Slide in and join together several mobile kiosks to create a superpower buffet effortlessly with linear or angled connectors. The ZOZZ Kiosk comes in standard black, stainless steel, gold, or choose from any Xylo color available. All it takes is a mobile buffet kiosk to create a panoramic buffet setup. And now, let's get a live preview of the effortless setup of the ZOZZ Kiosk. As you wheel the 7-inch collapsed kiosk, you can expand its footprint easily with no tools or hardware needed. The heavy-duty, fully swivel locking rubber casters transition smoothly from tile to carpet and lock into place to ensure stability and safety while in service. Simply extend the top shelf and then hook on the bottom shelves. The entire setup can be done by one person. There's no need for any manuals or instruction. There is a variety of different add-ons for different needs. You can now choose long, narrow shelves or hook on the full-size shelves for more display space. Use the fold-up half-size square shelves as your space requires on either left or right side of the kiosk for the visual and space perception. Magically create a custom shelving unit as needed. The kiosk was designed with functionality and design. You can now take this one step further and add a variety of shelf liners for protection and elegance. Choose from elegant leather liners or wood gray grain laminates. In addition, add a pop of color to your kiosk. We now offer a variety of many different colored shelf toppers that fit the shelves and liven up your display. The kiosk can be used for double-sided serving in the center of your buffet space or block off the rest of the room as you utilize the handy vinyl backdrop that magnetically attaches to the frame of the kiosk. Roll the ZOZZ Kiosk display indoor or outdoor. Use as buffet display, back bar, or grab-and-go unit. Your vision is the limit. For any questions, contact us at www.easterntabletop.com.